Hello and welcome to number 7 in the Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. And in today's item, I'm going to talk about DSA campaigns or dynamic search campaigns. And the question is, do you have a separate dynamic search campaign? Now, with the new interface they introduced, basically allowed you to have dynamic search inside your normal keyword campaigns. So what dynamic search ads do is that it allows Google to look at the content of your page and then to assess what keywords it thinks that you should show up for. So you tell it your website, and inside a normal search campaign you just kind of add that ability, and it will decide whether you're relevant to show up for individual searches that somebody makes based on the keyword, based on the content of your website. Now, what my point is that dynamic search ad campaigns can work really, really well, but they do need to be set up properly. Because if you just give Google free access to everything on your website and say just go on, show ads for everything on there, depending on what you've got on your website, if you've got a blog, if you've got various content pages apart from your product pages, then Google's going to show you up for all sorts of searches that are not product related. They're kind of related to other content on your website. So you need to make sure that you're targeting a dynamic search ads separately, that you are controlling the content that you want to be included when Google is looking to see what your website is relevant for. I hope that makes sense. So again, it's a whole new video actually showing you how to set this up. But my point is that dynamic search, especially if you've got a very large e-commerce website, can be amazing to capture those searches that you maybe wouldn't think of, product-based searches that couldn't cover thousands and thousands of products without having to sit down and try and think of every possible way that somebody might search for one of your products. But they need to be set up as their own separate campaign with the correct structure, with the correct targeting, and most importantly the correct negative targeting in order to make them work and to make them successful. So that's my point on the checklist for today, is to make sure that you have dynamic search campaigns, but that they are set up correctly and that they are separate from your normal keyword-based search campaigns. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.